Hi, my name is Annie Anderson, and I'm the Director of Student Success and Retention at Miles Community College. And I'm just answering your question about the last bullet point you had here about to help us in writing our narrative. We're wondering if you could provide some ideas of current challenges for your adult ed participants are facing. There's so many. There are so many challenges. I'm not sure if we could even narrow them down. So what we are challenged with is getting people in here. A lot of people know about our program because of word of mouth, and we have tried paper ads, newspaper ads, radio ads. We've done, we do newsletters, we send things out, we have Facebook pages. We've tried a lot of things, but we found that most often students come to us because of word of mouth. They hear somebody else who got their HiSET and coming in that way. So getting our word out there seems to be a little bit challenging for us. The second thing we have is once they do get here, we have a hard time keeping them here. Sometimes they're very fired up and excited about being here and wanting to change their life and getting their HiSET, and then all of a sudden it's work. It's work. They have to take a tape test right away at the beginning, and that is quite lengthy, and that does deter some people. Once some people get through the tape test and they see how much work some of this is, it gets frustrating for some, so we see some drop out with that. A lot of the reason why we don't have people stick around for the program, though, is because of their life situations. Loss of job, maybe they don't have the money to get here, they don't have gas money to get here, they don't have daycare, their job is unstable. A lot of our population is dealing with poverty or a chaotic lifestyle, or just kind of a lot of disruptions in their life, a lot of things going on. And so those things are hurdles for our students. Money is a big hurdle because the test does cost $75, and then we ask for a proctoring fee as well, so it's sometimes upwards of $90 to get the HiSET. We do have scholarships available for them through our local St. Vincent de Paul, but we require them to stick around for 40 hours because we found that we can post-test them for our gains, for our program that we're using, but also if they put 40 hours worth of work in, they generally are very successful. Another barrier is sometimes people that are here because traditional high school didn't work for them for a different, many reasons. And if it is because of a skills reason or academic reason, those are some big hurdles to overcome. So sometimes the work that they're doing to get a HiSET is actually, it's a lot of work. You don't just get a HiSET, you have to earn a HiSET. And so some of those students, it's very challenging with learning disabilities. Some students, a HiSET goal is just not attainable, which it does happen. So that kind of population, it struggles. Other times that we have hard time people enrolling into college after their HiSET, so those who make it through, it's a big celebration. And those that try to go to college, sometimes it doesn't always work because, unfortunately, just because you can pass the HiSET doesn't mean that you're college ready. There's a gap. And so we try and do study skills, organizational skills, and just help students how to learn how to be a college student. Some students are ready for this and some students are not. I mean, with college you've got, new books, new instructors, new schedules, new computer skills, learning management system. They have online books. They, how to pay for everything, where to find everything. It's all new. It's not just like one thing is new for a new class. It's like the whole thing is new. It's very foreign. So we find that a lot of our students don't have the skills or the background to be ready for college. So we also try and do as much of that as we can here at the Learning Center. Let's see, what else can I discuss? I know you said that if it's easier to discuss than write them out, we can do that. So that's what I'm doing. Because I was writing things for something else and I was also recording things for a class. I thought, well, I'll just jump in here and record this. I think other than that, that's kind of our main problem is, first of all, finding students, keeping students, and then preparing students for college and career readiness. I work with two people who have been here for decades, like 20 to 30 years, well, probably 30 plus years. And so they have like more knowledge than anybody, and it just kind of ebbs and flows. Some years we have a lot of students and some years we have, not as many. So this year, if you can see from the email, that we have 37 students, And we count that. I filtered that from our database from anybody who came in and did at least 1 hour. So then we're hoping that we can get a few more HiSET completers before the end of the year. We had 51 students served last academic year. This academic year, we currently have 7 HiSET graduates, and then last year we had 8. So we're on track to be more this year because we have now until July 1 and when we stop that count. So I'm very, very confident we'll have more HiSET graduates this year than we did last year. So that's always a positive. But if you want to know anything more about our program or have any other questions, let me know. But I'd be happy to help. Thanks.